In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate GitHub with Trello. By the end, you'll have the GitHub power-up added to your Trello board so you can start linking commits, branches, and pull requests directly to cards, keeping your project work and code changes in one place. First, open Trello and head to your boards view. This is the dashboard that lists all the boards you're a member of. Make sure you're logged into the right workspace and that you have permission to manage power-ups on the board you plan to use. If you're not a board admin, you may need someone with admin access to follow these steps for you. Next, click into the specific board where you want GitHub connected. It's a good idea to choose the board where your engineering or issue tracking work lives, since that's where you'll get the most value from the integration. Inside the board, look for the Power-Ups option. Depending on your layout, you'll find it in the board header or within the side menu. Power-Ups are Trello's way of extending a board's capabilities, and this is where we'll add GitHub. Open the Power-Ups directory by selecting Add Power-Ups. This opens a gallery of available integrations. If your workspace has limits on the number of Power-Ups per board, keep an eye on that. You might need to remove an unused one if you've hit the limit. Use the search field to type GitHub. You should see the official GitHub power-up appear in the results. Be sure to choose the one published by the trusted source associated with Trello's ecosystem. If your organization uses GitHub Enterprise, check for the version that matches your setup. Select the GitHub power-up and click Add. Trello will attach it to your board. If you don't see a confirmation, give the page a quick refresh. After it's added, you'll typically find GitHub tools available from the Power-Ups menu and on the back of individual cards. When you first use it on a card, Trello may prompt you to authorize your GitHub account. Just follow the on-screen instructions and make sure you're signed into the correct GitHub profile in your browser. That's the full setup. Open Trello boards, select your board, go to Power-Ups, open Add Power-Ups, search for GitHub, and click Add. From here, you can attach GitHub activity to cards and keep your team aligned without switching apps. If anything doesn't appear right away, refresh the board or verify your permissions. You're ready to streamline your workflow with GitHub and Trello working together.